BuildingOS manual meter reading application. Utilizing your mobile device or your desktop web browser, navigate to m.buildingos.com, enter the previously supplied username and password that you selected to log into the system. Once logged in, you'll see a list of the buildings that you have access to. By selecting that particular building, you'll then be brought to a page that displays the meters that are available for that facility. If you navigate to a specific meter, you'll see a picture of the meter, an indication of where the meter is located, a value box where you can enter in the meter's value, and the current date and time of the value you're entering. In the value box, you'll see a value from the previous day's meter entry. If you select that value entry box, you can then enter a value into the box. If the value happens to be too far off from the values that were previously entered in previous days, you'll get an error message saying that the value is probably not correct. If it is indeed correct, you can submit the value anyways, or if you did enter something by error, you can then re-enter a value that is correct. Once the system accepts the value, it'll take you back to the main meter page, and you'll see a green check mark next to the meter indicating that it accepted the value. You can then repeat these steps for the other meters. You also need to enter the occupancy value, which can be obtained from your front desk clerk. This value will be entered in as a percentage of the occupancy of the previous night. Once all values are entered, you'll see a green check mark next to each meter. The next day, you can enter in new values, and this process will restart again. If you have to enter values for another building, you can simply go back to the main buildings page, and if you have access to other buildings, you'll see them listed. You can repeat the same steps again for that building.